How to frame the canvas poster. Make sure the work surface and your hands are clean before starting the framing job. Gather together the materials you will need to assemble a canvas poster. A stick and stretch frame starter kit that includes 4 blue corner brackets, archival glue, canvas cutter. A stick and stretch frame kit that includes 2 long and 2 short stretcher bars, 4 push-in staples, 4 corner stabilizer bars, 1 center stabilizer bar. A ruler, scissors, the canvas print to be mounted. Note, frame kits are available in several sizes. Select the size that suits the print you are framing. Trim the canvas print. Use the canvas cutter from the starter kit to cut off the white margins following these steps. Warning, the canvas cutter uses an extremely sharp blade. Use the utmost care when handling the cutter. Lay the canvas print flat on a clean cutting surface, printed side up. Position the cutter on one corner of the canvas as shown, with the blade in line with the outside edge of the gray border. Important, cut off only the white margins. Do not cut off the gray border around the image. Press down on the cutter to drive the blade into the canvas. Use just enough force to allow a clean cut. Draw the cutter blade along the outside edge of the gray border, trimming off the white margin. Repeat on the other 3 sides of the print. Discard the trimmings. Assemble the frame. Peel the yellow adhesive backing strip off the slanted end of 1 stretcher bar. Do not peel the backing strip off completely yet. Hold the bar with the adhesive backing strip facing up. Align the slot on the side of the bar with the slanted tab on the bracket. Important, the slot and tab must fit together or the frame will be crooked. Push the end of the bar down fully into the bracket, making sure the tab goes into the slot. Repeat the previous steps to connect all 4 sides of the frame. Check that the bars are pushed all the way down into the brackets. Remove and discard the yellow adhesive backing strips. Tip: the blue corner brackets are reusable. Do not discard them after completing this job. Flip the canvas over so that the printed side is facing down. Place the frame, adhesive side down, on the back of the canvas print. Center the frame on the canvas. Make sure the distance between the frame outside edge and the canvas edge is equal on all 4 sides. Important, the edge of the print should extend about 1.6 inches beyond the edge of the frame on all 4 sides. If not, either the print was trimmed incorrectly and you will need to reprint and retrim the poster, or the wrong frame size was selected. You can use a ruler to measure the distance between the frame edges and the canvas edges. Stick the stretcher bars to the canvas. Push down firmly on each of the stretcher bars in turn. The stretcher bars will snap out of the corner brackets and onto the canvas. Tip: if the bars do not snap out of the corner brackets, make sure there is nothing between the bars and the canvas, and then try again. Press down firmly on each bar in several places to make sure the entire bar is stuck to the canvas. In particular, make sure the outside edge of the frame is in good contact with the canvas. Remove the corner brackets. With one hand, hold down 2 of the stretcher bars near one corner of the frame. With your other hand, grasp the blue corner bracket and pull up to remove it from the frame. Remove the other corner brackets in the same way. Set the brackets aside. Note, save the brackets for the next job. Trim and fold the canvas. Use the canvas cutter to trim the canvas flush with the outside of the frame. Important, be sure to press the cutter against the edge as you draw it, so that it cuts the print flush with the frame edge. If the print is extended beyond the frame edge after you have trimmed it with the cutter, use scissors to trim it flush with the frame. Cut each corner of the canvas diagonally with scissors. Fold the corners of the canvas over the ends of the stretcher bars. Press the end firmly to the bars. Apply glue. Run a small bead of glue along the inside edge of the stretcher bars. Use the archival glue from the starter kit. Caution: be careful not to get any glue in the center of the canvas. Lift and secure the stretcher bars. Lift the outside edge of one short and one long stretcher bar until the two bars meet in the corner. Hold the two bars together with one hand. With your other hand, push a staple into the two holes nearest the corner of the frame. The staple holds the two bars together. Repeat the steps on the other corners. Insert the stabilizer bars. Insert the four corner stabilizer bars into the slots on the inside of each frame corner. To do this, you will need to flex the bars slightly. Make sure each stabilizer bar is fully seated in the slots. If you are assembling a 51 by 76 centimeter, 20 by 30 inch frame, insert the center stabilizer bar from the frame kit into the slots in the centers of the two long stretcher bars. Important: inspect the finished frame for bumps or wrinkles. The canvas should be stretched tightly and smoothly around the frame. If it is not, discard the item and start over. Complete the order. Place the framed canvas poster and any other products included in the order in the Photo Center storage area with the order label.